Hello bees! Today we got some incandescent bulbs right here this is from Dollarama, so they're gonna be a fucking cheap ass. But anyways, yeah, these are from Dollarama, and I'm gonna put them in my Matteo Ceiling fan because, I want to see how it looks with these incandescent bulbs. Ew, that is one ugly bulb. The hardest one because this one's actually a spotlight. Just like the fucking bulb itself, I guess. Ew. Incandescent, it goes in. A lot more easier to actually go in there. Holy shit. So smooth. Alright. We are all done. Oh, yeah, the light switch is already on, so. Oh, wow. That looks pretty classic. I'm not gonna lie. Probably drawing a lot of water out of this shit. Probably a little too much. Alright. Let's see how it looks like. Nice. Very nice. Wow. Would you look at that, guys. Trying to open this one up, which is the 5th one. And I also put that incandescent in the little tin. And wow, that's actually pretty cool. They're not really bright though, but they actually are very nice to look at. Not gonna lie. Alright, see you later, guys.